So guys, I've decided to fix my fucking door blades. One of the things that cued me that I need to fucking do my door blades, aside from the fact that they were sticking out, was apparently this driver side front. This one was the most flush. Like, it had no real rust issues. It sat flush with the door, nothing. But for some damn reason, this little corner right here, you can see, there we go, focus, there we go, um, decided they wanted to bend and push out against the fender, which you can see right there. Sweet. So anyway, the other door blades aren't looking so hot. They haven't been. It's been something I've been wanting to do for a while. So I started doing that. Let's see how this side looks. See how they're sticking out? Yeah. They're not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be nice and flush, but they start sticking out. Anyway, the ones that aren't super bad, which really are the fronts, I'll see if I can cheat, but I probably can't. I'm just going to go ahead and tear them all apart. And so I started doing that. For those of y'all who wonder how they came apart, there was a thread on AudiZine, but pictures get deleted, people move stuff. So I'm just going to kind of point some stuff out on this one that I haven't taken apart yet. So this is your door blade. Alright. On the rear ones, let's see if I can see it on these fronts. On the rear ones, you take apart from the top edge. So, I got a little pick, and I dug down. Hold on, let me get my finger out and my pick. Boop. Got myself a little pick. Bam. And I dug down into this corner here. Focus, there we go, into this corner here on the rear one. And basically I wanted this plastic to get above this lip. And so I kind of pried it up, got it in there, and I started putting my thumb here and just drove it down until I can separate it. If you do it neatly, it'll come apart. You don't have to worry about breaking nothing. All the tabs are in one piece. Alright? But once you do that, let's see, where's the other piece? Boom. The railing, which is this guy, really just lifts away. So, damn it, I'm terrible at holding the phone in video. Anyway, this railing just kind of lifts away till you get down here. Then it's this guy on the rear one that I just did didn't want to come out. So I got a long ass screwdriver it worked for the rear, and I just kind of drove it down there, wiggled this guy till it popped out. Didn't break him. He's still in one piece. All right, so that guy comes out. Next, you got all the rust and shit. Now mine wasn't like this at first. This was after some work. So it has some plastic sheathing that comes out. Whatever, ripped all that stuff out. Not much you can do there. But the metal plate that's in here, I took this whole thing, grabbed it with two hands, probably about 5 or 6 inches apart, and twisted it kind of like a ice cube tray. All right, and it kind of broke up all the rust that's in there. So probably what I'll do is get a piece of Lexan, like a thin piece of Lexan, to lay in here. That way it makes up the space. If I see that it needs it. I don't know if it's going to need it once I break all this out, but it probably will. So I'll get like a thin piece of Lexan, cut a strip in there, lay it in there, epoxy it, whatever. So I'm in the progress of doing the first one. I got 4 left to go. Yay.